in today's video. I'm going to be changing the brake caliper. I've already changed one on the other side. Could do with bleeding it, but I'm just taking a wire brush to the caliper here just to clean up. And that's before I take them off. I've got a set of vice grips on the plexi there just to hold that. Letting brake fluid through, letting more air into the system. But we'll crack on with it and we'll see how I get on. Maybe it'll be an epic fail. Hope not. That much rust over that. That's a 13 mil. Well, the other side was, so I can't see why this side wouldn't be. That 13 spanner there, I think I do. Right, that's the pipe disconnected from the calipers. You'll see a wee bit of fluid there on the ground. The slide's a bit rusty, but I'm worried with that afterwards. They're nice and free, they're not seized. Just brake fluid coming out of the caliper. Rock solid that damn thing is. I'm lazy and I can't be bothered going to get my pry bar. And it's an old 17mm spanner, so I don't really give a shit. But I would advise other people to go and get a pry bar. And not use your old spanners. I'm just lazy.
Pretty rotten.
It's not rotten, it's seized. It's not rotten, it's seized. I'll bring us back in a few minutes once I've cleaned up this, because I'm sure you don't want to see me wire brush inside. So I'll clean up that, I'll put a new caliper on it, and I'll bring his back in, right, okay? Just for future reference, got my finger over that. You can see how seized that is. So that'll get chucked up here, the scrap pile. So, but anyway, like I say, I'll bring you back in a couple minutes. Right, that's the brake caliper on now. I've just copper greased the end of the flexes there just to tidy it up a wee bit. I'm now going to bleed the brakes with this vacuum pump, but I'll stick it together and I'll bring you back, okay? Right, that's it bled. I know I said I was going to show you me using this tool, but Tina had to go away, so I've ended up, I've had to do it myself on my own. So you can see the fluid that's come out of it is pretty black. Tina's now back, by the way, just in case you was wondering. But she had to go away, she needed to go to the bathroom. And it was just as quick for me to fire on with the job. But that's the caliper on. That one's bled. I'm probably going to have to bleed the whole system, to be fair. The brake fluid like that in it, it's pretty minging now, to be fair. So we'll catch you all in the next adventures of Roger. Just going to fit the grill that was missing. It blew out somewhere along the road. There we go. Put the bottom there, but that's winning £40 for that. Remember, like and subscribe.